Is your laptop keyboard suddenly not working? Don't worry. I'll show you a quick and easy fix that works every time. First, check filter keys. Sometimes it can block your typing. To turn filter keys on or off, hold the Shift key for 8 seconds. Once you hear a beep, that means filter keys are now turned off. This will disable it, then test if your keyboard starts working. If it still doesn't, move on to the second method. If it's still not working, let's run the Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, click on Update and Security, then open Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Select Keyboard and click Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically detect and fix common keyboard problems. Once it's finished, check if your laptop keyboard is working. If it's still not, move on to the third method. For the third method, right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. When Device Manager opens, expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard driver and choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm, then restart your laptop. Finally, restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. After your laptop restarts, check if the keyboard is working. If it still isn't, move on to the fourth method. For the fourth method, unplug the charger from your laptop. Press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. This drains any stored power. Once you're done, release the power button, plug the charger back in, turn the laptop on, and test your keyboard. This usually clears out any leftover glitches. That's it. These are the methods you can use to fix a laptop keyboard that's not working. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech fix videos. Thanks for watching.